Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your jeans sweater, ladies sweater, ladies cardigan, jacket as well. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 14 plus 9 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 9 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have For the demonstration, I have 39 stitches on my needle, which is 28 plus 28, 14 plus 14, 28, and plus 9 extra stitches, 27, and 2 edge stitch, 39. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Knit 9, and here for the 5 stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. Slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern, we have done knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 9, and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. So we have done 2 repeats here from here to here, and after you finish all repeats, for a last 10 stitch, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Your last 10 stitch, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Knit 9 and then edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, and every wrong side rows, purl all stitches, slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side, and purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, edge stitch, knit through the back loop, and then start the repeat from here. First purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Purl 7, See, 2 4 6 7, sorry, 2 4 6 7, purl 7, and here knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, and then SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. After this 2, purl 7, 2 4 6 7, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SSK. Again, purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, purl 7, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, and then SSK. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 4 6 8 9, your last 9 stitch, purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, purl 7 and purl 1, total purl 8 here, sorry, purl 8, and then edge stitch, knit. Row 4, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.